Yeah, so here we have this pretty cool lightweight stick vacuum cleaner. It's a powerful suction, self-standing, has an LED light. So let's go ahead and open it up and get it out the box. You could use this for different scenarios. You could use it for the floor, sofas, bed. You give in counters, anything like that. So here are all the pieces. So it's easy to put together. It comes with an extra HEPA filter. Comes with a user manual here. You can go over it. Here is the vacuum itself. This is the bottom part. So it's the self-standing one. Then you got all your accessories in here. And it's easy to empty, so whenever you pick up all the dirt or whatnot, it's easy. Just one press and it'll come down. Plastic here, take that out. So it's just a simple press and it'll come down. And then it's easy to take out and clean. You could reclean this filter. But yeah. And then here you have your different adapter that you could use for in your car, sofas, tables, edge corners, in between the seats. And then the battery will last about 40 minutes, depending on how you are using it. And then here is the charger for it. So just a little DC plug. Put that to the side over here. And then this, you could extend this. This is the pole you could extend. And then this just goes this way. So just like that, line it up. And then this side goes over here. And all you gotta do is just press the button on it. And you can see here, you see the percentage on the battery. So it's at 9%. And then you have your active. Here, let me show you a little closer. Here's got your active, your eco, and then turbo. And then you got your green LED. Oh yeah. So it's pretty cool, as you can see, and it's got this nice adjustable handle. So if you want it shorter, you can do it shorter. And if you want to stretch it back out, you can. And again, like I said, it's a self-standing, so you can just put it in a corner like that. But yeah, so if you're interested in getting one of these, definitely recommend it. Again, it's easy, and once you pick up all the dirt, just one button, easy to empty. And then this you could take out. This comes out, and then you can clean the filter on it. Gotta know how to work it, but yeah. So if you're interested in getting one of these, we definitely recommend it.